Hey there, Tech24 fam. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury skincare with the Vital Luxury Pea Flower Bath Amp Body Kit. This all-in-one beauty kit is the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine, and it's a must-have for the upcoming holiday season. With exotic fragrances and moisturization, this organic spa kit includes body lotion, shower gel, body cream, and fragrance mist, each with 3 ounces, 88 milliliters. The natural flower and herbal extracts keep your skin hydrated and mildly fragrant for longer, and the aloe and vitamin E in the City of Love moisturization set will keep your skin smooth and supple. This complete skincare set is perfect for all skin types, including dry, normal, irritated, and sensitive skin. And it's the ideal gift for anyone in your life who could use a little pampering, from brides and mothers to friends and loved ones. So, if you're ready to elevate your skincare game and give the gift of luxury this holiday season, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Vital Luxury Pea Flower Bath Amp Body Kit. Trust me, you won't regret it.